Meaning of insalubrious.
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 Insalubrious. Insalubrious refers to something that is unwholesome or unhealthy, particularly in regards to living conditions. It can describe a variety of factors, such as poor air quality, lack of sanitation, or overcrowding. The consequences of living in an insalubrious environment can be serious, including increased risk of disease, respiratory problems, and other health issues. Additionally, insalubrious living conditions can negatively impact mental and emotional well-being, leading to stress and anxiety. It is important to identify and address insalubrious conditions in order to promote overall health and wellness.